Welcome to Christ College Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight. Ka Voice of the People Party lengba ka Women's Wing hene ka sngi kalaya Kynduh yo menteri katanat puli puthi urakam isangma panbut dian Halor ka Ishu Common University Entrance Test. Habakran bakila pathai Khubor hadian ba laya Kynduh yo menteri na kalyang kinong yalam ka VPP kilaya thu ba ha ka jinge Kynduh kila dawa na ka Khhuborjylla bakan bu khambon ki examination center bantho ya ka CUET knang baki Samla kinom dan kamban le chekiwi ki jella bantho ya ka exam CUET.
Meeting with the Education Minister.
We are here today on behalf of the Voice of the People Party. After students came to us, to the party, regarding the concern regarding the CET examination, regarding the centers they have been allotted. Some of them they have chosen the center here in Shillong, Meghalaya, but they have received, but on receiving the admit card, the center that they were allotted, they were outside from the state. So we came here to meet the Education Minister to address the issue, and on talking with the Education Minister, he said that the NTA did not coordinate with the state government, it was the NTA's doing. So he said that from the government side they have met with the concerned Minister of State, Union Minister for Education. So what the Education Minister assured us is that he will look into the matter, and maybe by later in the evening he will address the issue. So what we from our side, we already wrote to him a letter, and we hope that the Education Minister, we hope that the government will look into this matter with seriousness, because most of the students, they are being let down by the government. And what's more disappointing is that most of the students who receive the centers outside the states, most of them they have some financial issues, and knowing fully that they have saved some money for college admission, and if they have to go to and if they have to go to different states, they have to again save up, again they have to spend money, which is a burden for them. So from our side, we wrote a letter asking them to look into the matter and to set up also a helpline number so that the affected students can contact this number, so that the government can arrange something for them, so that they will not miss out on this opportunity. Because from what we know, from what we have read, from what we saw yesterday from the news channel regarding the Chief Minister meeting with the concerned Union Minister, he asked the government to exempt. The question of exempting is not. We don't want the NTA to. We don't want the government to exempt, for us to be exempted, because exempting the CET exam for our students, it's very sad, because even for integrated course like law, even in NEHU, they have to appear for CET. Without CET, it's not possible for them to get admission. Most of the students also, who want to go out of the state for future studies, without CET, it's not possible. So the question of exempting does not arise. It's very sad to see the government asking for exemption. It's like it's like downgrading our students. Our students are are well equipped, they are also capable to compete in higher levels. So the question of exempting the CUET exam is sad, and we hope in the future that the government will look into this matter with seriousness. We have been writing to the government since 2022. We have also, in the past years, our leaders have come and met with the education minister, asking the government to create more centers. From what we learned is that the government is not yet equipped also with centers. So we hope in the future the government will look into this matter with seriousness, and we hope that in the future the students does not have to worry about anything. We hope that the students also, whenever they have to come out to face any exam, they come out with, with positive mindset without having the need to fear that they might not be able to appear the exam because of the lack of the centers in here.